Okay, wait.
What's the end?
How much you invest? Hello, can you look at the question?
He invested 5,000.
5,000.
Yeah, so that's the interest rate. So how much you are, how much interest, the interest rate, right, will be tagged to how much you invest. Do you know what's the meaning of interest?
Yeah.
What is the meaning of interest?
Please.
I don't know what's that.
Okay,
It's
so
like-
let's say
it's
if you put money in a bank, there will be some interest rate. So let's say you put $1,000 inside. This extra interest, right, is extra money, like a bonus like that.
Why they give us
Because it's something like a commitment, like you trust this bank to help you grow the money. So they
Oh.
yeah, but usually the interest rate is very little.
Yeah
It's
lah.
not a lot unless you make investments.
Big investments.
Of course, it involves risk.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. So actually,
Like-
this interest rate, it just means the extra money that you're given.
You're given 1.25 of how much you invest.
Yes, correct.
It's like insurance or something like that.
She just muted herself.
Oh, I don't know.
Then N, right, is the number of years. So they told you it's 2 years, right? So you put in 2. So can you tell me what's the total amount? You key in the calculator. I cannot help you because I forgot to bring my calculator.
Yeah, at your house
Yeah, that's exactly. I left my calculator at home.
Wait, whose house is this? Whose house are you at?
My own house.
Then your
Does this look like the
calculator?
school?
No, then your calculator is in school.
Yes.
Oh.
0.0125. So what do you get?
I got. Wait. I got. What the
Tuti, are you
hell?
trying?
5125.78.
Okay, very good. So 5125.78 is the total amount. But this question asks for what?
The total interest.
Interest.
That you.
I only want interest. So
So
what should you
5,000
do?
minus 5125 minus 5,000.
Yeah, very good. So this is what a lot of you
125.78.
didn't do. The interest is the extra money.
Okay.
So you must minus off the principal,
How is
how
this
much
worth?
you invested.
How is this worth 3 marks?
That's why. And then a lot of you get 0.
Oh.
A lot lah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then the PRT out of 100 is what?
Oh, okay. So this PRT over 100 is simple interest.
Mm-hmm.
They will tell you. So this question they tell you is compound interest. So you use compound interest formula. Can? All's good?
All is
Can you
well, all is
explain one
well.
more time?
Huh?
Can you explain one more time?
From where?
From how you
Everything.
found the fight. Yeah, like just the whole thing.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so I start off with the formula. Because I know this is a compound interest question, right?
Yeah.
So I must know this formula, which is given in the paper, the formula sheet.
Lucky.
Okay. But this total amount A, right, includes interest. Okay. Right. So now the question wants me to find the total interest.
Yeah.
So the only way to find the total interest is to find out the total amount in the bank I have after 2 years.
Okay.
Okay, with this formula. So basically what I did is I put in my P, and then I put in my 1.25 is my R, and then my N is 2 years.
So
Okay.
whatever years they give is the end.
Yeah, correct. Okay, then I will
Okay.
get the total amount here, which is calculator work, right? This 5125.78.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, Zhang Hong say, because I say I want interest, but this A is not interest, what? This A is what?
Altogether.
All together. So whatever you get after 2 years. But I only want the interest. That's why I have to
Minus.
minus.
Huh? Huh? Huh?
Shut
Yeah.
up, Tuti.
What's happening?
That's why I keep quiet all the way. I don't understand.
Okay,
Can
so
you repeat everything?
Wow, one question I have to repeat 3 times.
Siapa punya Snapchat tu Babi.
Okay, so Tuti, you understand the formula? Actually, you don't need to understand the formula. It's given. It's just, do you know how to use it or not?
No,
So you don't know how to use it.
don't know.
Okay, so you don't know what is P, R, and N, is it?
Yeah, very hard to remember.
Don't need to remember. They will tell you the formula. You just have
It's
to
the
know
principal.
P. They will tell you the formula. You just need to know P is the principal, not Madam
Okay, then I
Go.
forgot how to do the
Hey, you see, I spell only principal. You.
principal.
So the
What is the
principal is
difference?
how much you put in.
Principal is how much you put in. Put in what? The bank account.
Yeah. So it's like investment or how much you deposit. They will always use words like, I deposit this amount, I invest this amount. This is your principal. Deposit. Or they will tell you, I invest. Then R is the rate. Rate is always in percentage.
Okay.
Rate is, so I give you 2% rate. That means you have to times 2% the amount. Okay, then N is the time. How long you put the money in for. Okay.
So for money is 2 decimal place.
Yeah, correct.
Don't need to round up.
2 DP. Just 2 DP.
Okay.
Can? Are we okay?
Why you minus?
Why I minus? Okay, Chang Hong, why we minus?
Because you want to find the interest, not the.
So 5125.78 is the in the bank, is the total bank.
Correct,
Then
total amount
after
in the bank.
Then after you
Okay.
find the how much you earn, so you minus.
I thought inside the bank $5,000.
That's why you
No, that
minus
one
lah.
is J Invest.
Then 5125 is what?
Is
After 2
the
years.
yeah.
After 2 years. So what are they asking for?
How much is
How
the
much is
interest
this
rate?
extra money? Interest is how much is this extra money you get?
Okay, wait. Interest is how. Oh, okay. Give us another question now.
How I give you another question?
I
Okay, I
don't
tell
know,
you
make
what,
up
I will go and
story.
find. But I go through this paper first. Okay, so this one I will send you, don't worry.
Adam, apa
Oh,
you
Adam.
nak? No, my small brother. Okay,
His
This
brother
one,
very cute, yeah.
simultaneous.
His brother very cute.
Can I see?
thank you.
His brother very
Okay,
cute,
this
yeah.
one I don't know at all. I tell
Yeah,
you.
that's why I want to go through this one. Those
This
who I
one Miss
circle.
Joseph. This one Joseph teach me. I don't know. I don't understand.
Who is
Joseph.
Joseph?
Miss
Oh, Miss
Joseph,
Joseph.
Bus.
my idol.
Hey, I'm going to record this. How I send out all these things.
Can you our voice?
Oh, lucky I never say yes, yeah.
Oh.
Okay, let's
Shit.
see question 10. Simultaneous
Chill.
equation.
Chill, mute
Mute who?
Mute the video you record.
How I mute?
I don't know. You see, can
I will
hear.
cut. Okay, I'll cut. Okay, solve this simultaneous equation. So what are the 2 methods you learn? Remember or not?
No.
I know. Substitution and elimination.
Very good.
Oh,
Substitution
Clever.
and elimination.
So do substitution.
So this one you want to do substitution?
Yeah.
Do
You
both.
shouldn't.
Do both.
No,
Do
I will
both.
tell
Elimination is
you.
harder.
I will tell you when to do what. Okay.
Do both.
Substitution, right? You do when you get x equals to something or y equals to something. That means either x or y, they are the subject. It's
Okay.
easier.
So how to know whether they are a subject?
Okay, but this question definitely no lah, because nobody is the subject here. So for example, I give you an example. If you see something that,
Oh my god, Tuti, what the hell?
What me is Kayla?
Oh.
okay, let's say you see something like that. Hello, friends.
What is that? Oh, it's
this-
something there lah.
If you see something like that, like x equals to something, Then this one you use substitution.
So why she laughing? Sir?
Okay? So this one don't use substitution. This one should use elimination.
So why
Okay.
Kayla laughing?
I don't know. Hey, Kayla, this one I need to record and send to your friends.
Then just record lah.
I want to say something, but later they will scold me.
I want to say something about Miss Joseph, yeah.
Okay, let me continue. Elimination you use, right, when you can make coefficient the same. What does it mean?
你说什么?
Okay, I will show you. That means, right, you see this is 2, right? And then this is 4. You want to try to make them the same. Then you can eliminate.
2 times 2.
Ah, very good. So, if I want to make 2 become 4, I have to multiply by
2.
So
Two.
what is what they want? What the question want?
solve. They want to solve. That means they want to find out what is x and y. So then you see, they want to find out what is x, what is y.
Oh, okay.
So I don't
Okay.
understand. Can you repeat the whole thing?
Okay, I barely started.
Alamak.
Okay, I say, you let me finish first, okay? Then you can ask me question, okay?
Okay.
I will do slowly. All right, so basically, right, if I'm doing elimination, the word elimination means to get rid
Read off.
of something, right? So I want to get rid of x. My aim, right, is to get rid of x. Get rid of x. Because once I get rid of x, I can find y. Right or not?
Okay.
Okay, so that's my aim. I get rid of x, then I can find y. Okay, then so just now I say, right, I have coefficient, I have 2, I have 4. So I want to make my first equation times 2.
Okay.
So once I times 2, right, my first equation, it will become 4x plus 10y equals negative 6.
Huh?
Everything times 2,
What
what?
did you say?
2 times
Yeah,
2, 2x times 2 is 4x. 5y times 2 is 10y. Then negative 3 times 2 is negative 6.
So I don't understand.
Okay, you see, I have 2x plus 5y equals to negative 3, right? First equation. Whole thing I want to times 2.
Why?
Oh,
Why do you want to times 2?
I want to times 2 because just like I said, right, my aim is to make the coefficient the same. I want to make
What's
the x
coefficient?
coefficient meaning the number beside x. So the number beside x, I want it to be 4 also.
Okay.
Okay, can? So if I times 2 throughout, I will get 4x
Plus 10y
equals,
negative 6.
yeah, correct. So now I got my new equation, equation 3. Okay. Hey, where is that sound from?
Not me.
Whose fan is that?
I'm in my room, no sound.
Is it Kayla?
No.
Okay, so let me continue. Now my coefficient is the same, right? I got 4x and 4x, right?
Yeah.
So I can eliminate. So what should I do next?
Sure, I got a question.
Yes.
What is the 1, 2, 3, 2?
Oh, that's the equation.
Hey, try talk another method.
So equation 1, equation 2, then
So another
equation 3.
method what?
Which you are talking about substitution, is it?
Yeah, can you use
Substitution is worse, I tell you. Later
Why?
I show you. You want me to show you, is it?
It's easier, I think, for me.
No,
prefer
it's
substitution.
worse. You know why? Because there is no x equals to something here. Oh, what happened?
I don't get this one, the 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, that's why you have to learn. Because substitution is worse. You will be dealing with a lot of fraction if you use substitution for this question. I can show you, but I go through this one first, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so now basically the next step is I want to eliminate the 4x, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I minus the two equations. I take equation 3 minus equation 2. So I get 4x plus 10y minus 4x minus 3y equals -6 minus.
Wait, for the on top one, the times 2 must times 2.
Yeah.
So why not? Huh? Why not plus 20?
Why not? Because I have to minus what? Remember, eliminate means to get rid of.
Oh.
So you see, if I cannot plus, I must minus what? For this question.
Oh, okay. So eliminate is always minus.
No, not always minus. Sometimes it's plus. I will show you which question will be plus.
Okay.
Okay, so you remind me, after this I'll show you. Okay, then now I continue. 4x plus 10y minus
Rainbow
4.
method, Arjun.
Don't need rainbow lah, like cost nothing to times what. Here is -26, right? Then you see 4x minus 4x, what do I get?
8x.
Ah.
0, 0, 0, 0.
0, right? So 4x minus 4x, 0, right? So you eliminated x.
13y equals to -16.
Yes. -26. So y equals?
26.
Huh? Hmm?
I know. 26 divided by 13 equals to 2.
Yes. Negative
Negative
2.
2.
Okay.
Wow.
You're not done, you find y only, right?
What?
Yeah.
Haven't yet.
Find x.
Need to find x. So I sub y equals to -2 into which equation?
Wait, I still got.
It doesn't matter actually. I can just sub into any equation because the x and y values are the same. That's how I do 1. So 2x plus 5. Instead of writing y, I write how much?
Negative 2.
Yeah, very good. So 2x minus 10, -3. -3 plus 10.
Oh shit.
7.
So x equals
7.
7 divided by 2.
3.5.
Oh shit.
So what? X is 3/3.5, and then y is -2.
Okay, can restart everything again.
Restart. Slowly, you all take some time to understand first.
No, I was listening only the bottom part. Then the top part I never listen because I'm looking at the substitution one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, never listen.
Too much at you. Okay, wait. I give you all some time first. You write down first?
I write down already.
All right, already, huh? Okay. So I start from the start again,
You erase everything,
Huh? You want me to erase everything?
because then can understand. Not very confusing.
Sure, Is everybody done copying?
Yes.
Wow. Okay lah, okay
Yeah, okay.
Wait.
Let's start from scratch.
Scratch. Oh, everything is gone.
Is there a faster way to erase things? Why so slow one?
I don't know. You're the teacher, Cher.
I'm not an IT expert.
Yeah, Mr. Shafiq.
Mr. Shafiq.
Just for this.
Je tu call him Planet of the Apes je.
Call me?
Mr. Shafiq.
So rude.
Oh yeah.
What?
Ayo, why got like ambulance sound?
Kayla lah got corona.
Okay, so I want to use elimination.
Je
How
tu
you
very
do?
rude ke?
Huh?
Tuti very rude.
Yeah, she is from the start. Never change. Okay, come.
Hey.
So first thing is I label first. Equation 1, equation 2. Now you tell me what to do. What should I do first?
Now we make the number beside x the same.
Yeah, how? So times what?
Times 2. Shut
Okay,
up.
so First equation times 2. Then what do I get?
Then you times the whole equation.
Hmm?
And then the answer you put there lah.
You tell me lah. You put there lah.
So, wait.
2 times 2, 4. 5 times 2, 10.
Uh-huh.
Negative 3 times 2, 6. Negative 6.
Okay, so now I form my
So you
third
times 2 because you want to make 1 and 2 the same, right?
yes, correct. No, I want to make the x the same. You see the
Or
x,
make
right,
x the
is
same
4x, right? So I want to make these, I want to make these 4x also.
Why not y?
Or why not make the y the same, is it?
Uh-huh.
Can also. But then you will have to, because you see you have 5y and negative 3y, right?
Mm-hmm.
Then you have to, how to make these two the same?
Yeah.
Can,
How make,
but how?
Times 5 times 3.
Time.
Yeah, lor. I can times 3, then I get 15y, and then I times 5. Isn't it super leceh? Both equations also have to times, eh? But you see,
but one is negative, one is positive. What? Still can.
also can. So instead of just now I said, right, because just now you asked me, do you always minus the two equations? Then I said no,
Teacher,
right?
I'm going to mute. I want to fart.
Huh?
Okay, just now Tuti asked me, right? So in this case, you don't minus the equation, you plus the two equations.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, that's for another day, lah. Okay,
Save
don't
x
stress
first,
your.
Save x
Yeah.
first.
Okay,
Yeah, back.
okay.
Back.
So let me continue. Now I have two equations. I have my 4x plus 10 equals negative 6. I have my 4x minus 3y equals to 20. Then what did I do next? Now my 4x is the same already.
Wait,
What I do?
the 3 come from where?
The 3 come from where? Which 3?
Then the
This one,
yeah, this one.
Tuti, come from where?
What thing?
This thing. Zhang Hong asked this thing come from where? This one.
Where?
Is it
Which
the
one?
equation?
The one that I boxing up.
That one come from the times 2 lah.
I times 2 this whole equation.
So you put it as 3,
Yes. That's the third
Yeah,
equation.
then I put it as equation 3. Because it's a new
Ah.
equation one.
Okay.
Then now I continue. So now 4x is the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So I can eliminate the x. How?
But then they're the same. They're the same sign, what? No.
Same sign, yeah?
Can eliminate me?
4x minus 4x eliminate what? That's why I take equation 3 minus equation 2.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so 4x. Hey, you're supposed to tell me what to do, eh?
Oh. This here.
How to minus?
So 4x plus 10y
Oops.
equals, right? Then minus 6,
4x plus
Oh.
10y minus
6.
minus 6.
No. Then bracket 4x minus 3y.
Yeah, I should minus these two, and then after that I minus these two on the left hand side.
Mm-hmm.
Right hand side, sorry. So I minus these two on the left hand side, and then I minus the other two
on the right side.
Yeah. So you understand how I get this now?
Yeah.
Okay, then how?
Yeah, still writing. Okay, so then it's just 4x minus 4x.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Then what if got like common numbers other than 4x? Do we still eliminate them?
What do you mean?
Like if like that one is 4x plus 10y, right?
Uh-huh.
Then what if the other equation is like 4x plus 10y but minus 3y? You understand?
Don't quite understand. Can you give me
Okay, then
example?
never mind. I
You give me
also don't
example, I write down.
know. Like 4x
Uh-huh.
plus 10y,
Uh-huh.
then bracket, then
Uh-huh.
minus. Hello.
Hi, yeah, I'm still here. Minus.
Okay. Then minus 4x
Minus 3y.
plus 10y minus 2.
What?
Where you get that from?
Why you
No,
like that
I mean
one?
like what if like got like other common numbers? Do we
Oh.
still eliminate them?
Or like eliminate everything, ah?
Yeah, because it's common.
Cannot. No, then won't have such question one.
They won't give the
Oh,
question.
okay.
Yeah,
Okay,
surely one of it will stay on. Then you
Okay.
can find. Why Kayla asked to come in again? How many Kaylas are there?
She left the meeting.
What? And then she.
I lost your. Okay, never mind. Light up, sketches. Light up, my
Bible.
world.
Okay.
You like me, my Gucci shoes. So what should I bake?
Banana cake?
Sure. Banana cake.
What are you
Please
baking?
lah.
Pandan
Like I
chiffon
very
cake.
bored
FC.
No, like for fun.
You should do your work. What
I
bored?
just. Oh yeah, correct.
Yeah.
So my
FNF.
whole holiday of circuit break, like the circuit breaker, right? I haven't studied yet.
No, it's not a holiday, right?
Yeah, I know it's not. Shit, don't show this to my form teacher.
Yeah, surely. It's all recorded, you know.
They are not
Hey,
supposed to know
hello.
that.
You want me to continue or not? Or you all understand
Yeah,
already?
yeah.
Yeah, is what? Continue?
Continue.
You help me continue. I 4x minus 4x already.
Then you eliminate the 4x, the common number.
Yes, correct. So 13y equals to negative 26.
Then you get y, so you move the 13 over.
Yeah.
And equal 13 times equals to divide. Then yeah, -2.
So again, you
Oh,
found
x,
y. Now you have to find x.
不知道 x.
Now you substitute the x
The
into
y into
substitute y into negative instead.
which equation? First or second? Or third?
The first and second lah.
Just now I put first, right?
No, the third and second.
Can I put into the second equation?
Can
Can.
also.
Can, yes. Okay, so now let's try second. Okay, just now I put into 1, right? Now I put into 2.
Can put into any.
Can put into any, because just now I said what, the x and y values are the same throughout.
Then why you don't want to put in 3 also, the third equation?
Can also, up to you.
Let's go for 2 first.
Let's go for 2. What's first? No more already. Cannot be doing the same
Oh,
question
go for 2.
for 1 hour. So I put in the y equals -2. So 4x plus 6 equals 20. So 4x equals 20 minus 6 is
14.
14. So x equals
11.
Huh? What nonsense.
30.
X equals?
Then 14 divided by 4 equals to 2.
Huh? 2t. 14 divided by 4 is 2. Do you have a calculator with you?
My mind. It's amazing.
No wonder so bad.
So it's actually quite easy.
It is.
No
This is my
shit.
favorite. And you can use calculator to check, you know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, can. Just use the
I don't know what
Shift-
calculators you're using. It
shift
should be
mode
mode 2
3.
something. Or
So
mode 3.
put in fraction or decimal.
Both are okay.
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 Wait
Sure, give us another question like this.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I'll go and find. Okay, so I'll go and find question on just now what we did.
Sure, can you do question 11?
Not done yet, Che.
Oh, sorry.
Sure, question 11. You never teach us yet.
I see 11 is what? Ooh.
I've never seen it before.
Yeah, you never see a lot of things lah.
And the whole of question 5 and 6.
5 and 6.
So the whole of question 5 and 6.
5 I did in class,
please,
okay.
Please.
6
Since when? I wasn't
Yeah,
there.
I did in
So
class. I
answer
did in
must put as 3.5.
Yeah.
10.
Or must put as fraction.
Just now I answered this question.
Oh. Fraction is better, right?
Both are okay lah. Cause 3.5 is exact what.
Uh-huh.
So exact answer, both are
So where is
okay.
Kayla?
She's here, but
Where
she's not
is
here.
that rat?
I'm here. What?
Oh shit.
Okay. Come. Next question. I think I can do one more before the thing ends.
So fast.
11
So
you want me to do 11, is
fast.
it?
Yeah,
now got limit,
11. Sure, then 5 and 6 how? School reopen,
Okay.
you teach.
Oh, I tell you what, I video record myself and then I send it to you all.
Okay.
Will that be okay?
Yes.
Okay, we do one more together first lah.
So this one you haven't teach us
Yeah, I don't know that
This
one.
one, where got? This one is like
FPGM.
Sec 2 work, okay? Hello?
Polygon.
I don't even
Since
teach you when
when?
you're in Sec 2. Stop blaming me.
Polygon. Polygon.
Yeah.
What is
Wow,
polygon?
I don't
Do
know.
you remember all your formulas or not for Polygon?
I only know polyclinic.
Oh,
Okay.
Who is that laughing?
Exterior
wow,
angle
shit. Kayla laughed right.
360 divided by n. N is the number of sides.
What?
Better go and write all your notes now. Don't tell me you got nothing to do.
Ah,
Sorry, sir.
why so many?
This is each exterior. Okay, so this is each interior angle. Hey, actually, I also forget the formula. Let me.
Haha.
I
So
know.
what a joke.
No, I just want to confirm.
Sir, you
Oh.
send this video to me. I want to send to MOE.
Send
How
lah.
come my teacher forget?
Send lah. N minus 2 times 180
So what
degree.
are we supposed to find? What is the motive of
Okay,
this?
wait. Let me just run through all these formula that you need to remember first.
What
This is important.
is it?
And then interior plus exterior angle is how much, you know? No. Interior plus exterior angle gives you how much?
180?
Yeah, 180. Okay. So
What
now you look at this
what
question.
the freakery is this?
See lah. Never study lah.
Why? How you get 180? 132 plus 132 plus 132, not 180 what?
No, interior and exterior angle meaning, right? So this is the 132 is the interior angle.
Exterior is
Outside.
The
Yeah.
exterior angle is the outside here.
8.
I see that shit.
Huh?
Why not the whole thing outside?
No.
Oh, okay, it's not the whole thing.
Why
So
not
the
the whole
common
thing
mistake is
outside?
people think it's the whole thing. But actually, the exterior angle is just here only. It's not the whole thing.
Holy shit.
This one I cannot explain to you because it's like a mathematics
Oh
term.
my god.
So it's 50.
Oh my god.
8 48?
Right?
Oh yeah.
Sure, then the middle one, which one? Where is the exterior?
Exterior is here? Or you mean this one? Then here is the exterior angle. The exterior angle is all the same. So this one is also 48.
Oh.
And here, this is the exterior angle. Also 48.
Okay, sure.
And okay, so this is how you look at the polygon. Okay, Selena says diagram shows part of the regular polygon. What does regular mean?
Normal.
Is the yeah.
Bunpo. Woo! Bunpo is here to play.
Oh my
Bumpo?
god!
Hi, Bunpo.
Shy
Oh my
girl.
god.
Eh? Hello, Bunpo, are you here?
You trolled us.
Connecting to audio. Hello, Bunpo, are you here?
Yikes.
You come when we are gonna end. He just mute himself. Hello, Bunpo, are you here?
Chill.
Okay, Bunpo is ignoring me.
Your screen won't load eh.
Is it?
It is. It's loading.
I'm going up and down now.
Stop. I cannot copy.
Okay, sorry. Okay, so regular polygon means what?
love your sketches. You like me.
Shut up,
I
Tuti.
see.
What
Oh, you
does
can hear?
regular polygon mean?
Moochie.
Normal polygon.
It's like
Means
fixed.
all what is the same?
Fixed. Everything is the angles.
All angle. Okay. Oh, Paul is here.
Hey,
Why so late then
Risura.
join one, huh? All of you so too much. Eh?
Yeah. Ending in 5 minutes, then you'll join.
That's why.
Go out lah. If you want go out lah.
Playing game halfway lah.
Geniuses.
Too much. All of you. And they already then come in.
I just come only. Why y'all things, yeah?
So regular polygon means all angles are the same. Okay, at equal side. So let's find out whether all angles are the same or not.
Same one. Over there, right? Already same all.
Okay, but it only shows part. It only shows part of a regular polygon. So I need to find out the rest of it.
Are they talking about regular polygon? Are they talking about the exterior and interior or what?
Oh, okay. So it's up to you which formula you want to use. So I show you. It's easier. What do you think? Is it easier to use the exterior angle formula or the interior angle formula?
Interior,
Interior.
I guess. Eh, no.
Formula.
Exterior.
Exterior, right?
Exterior.
Because the formula looks easier. 360 over n
Yeah.
only. Okay. So actually very simple. You just, if it's regular, right? Because this formula is all for regular polygon.
What the hell?
Question, as long as your n, as long as you can find out the n is an integer meaning a whole number,
What's the integer?
whole number,
Okay,
no
wait, let me
decimal. No decimal, no fraction.
Wait, Joe. I keep forgetting what's the integrals here, so.
Okay, so again, I say, if n is an integer, it's a whole number, no decimal, then you can conclude that it's regular.
The whole number is what again?
No decimal.
Chill.
No decimal.
Decimal.
Chill.
Of course.
Yeah?
Oh, chicken.
So you know the never mind.
Alamak. One thought or not?
Okay, can I continue or not?
And
Okay, so now I need to find out whether my n is an integer or not. As long as n is an integer, it is regular. Okay, I write down. As long as n
As long
is
as
an
what?
integer, then the diagram, the polygon.
So you see, sir, Ilhan is actually online, you know. He's been sending me videos, but you don't want to go in.
Never mind, ignore him.
Yeah, we should study from now on.
Okay, so as long as n is an integer, the polygon is regular. So let's see. Do I know what's the exterior angle already?
48.
48, right? Okay, so what should I do to find n?
N. Where's N?
Okay, so each.
Oh.
So what is n?
So we need to find.
We need to find n.
Yeah.
Oh, never say you are.
What is the exterior angle again?
48.
48, right? So I can put in 48 is equals to 360 over n. So what is n?
what was this called again? What? Yeah, it's actually
I should take what? Divide by what?
360 divided by wait, it
Why
is
not 360 times 48?
How to time? So
I mean, if you move the 48 there, then the n put beside
okay,
what?
you move the n
Oh.
lah. Okay, you see, you move the n over, right? It
Every-
becomes 48n, right?
48n.
Yeah.
What is n?
Then after you move the 48 back, it's
Oh. Yeah.
360 divided by 48, right?
Yeah.
What do you get?
The answer.
Which is?
7.5.
I never bring my calculator. You're supposed to do yourself.
Oh.
So n is 7.5 eh. So do you think it's a regular polygon?
No. Stupid
Oh.
Selena. Common sense
Good.
lah. Walao. Don't know read math is it?
Okay, so Selena is
Selena is wrong.
Hey, Chai, lazy write down now. Can I take picture?
You're
okay.
recording.
I'm
Ask you-
recording also, so you can. I will send to you. Okay, so Selena is wrong because n is equals to 7.5 and not an integer. Therefore,
Polygons lah.
it is not a regular.
So polygons at most only come out one question, right?
Wow, I don't know leh.
And then like only one or two
Yo,
marks.
if I
Yeah.
know right, I won't be here already.
But only 1 or 2 marks lah.
This is how many marks? Wow, this is 2 marks eh.
Exactly. So mostly it's algebra and
Algebra, trigo,
yeah, true enough. Can lah, can one.
can.
Just gotta memorize the formulas.
What is Paul doing? Exercising.
Nothing lah.
Wow, Paul, your setup looks good, man.
Thank you.
Wow, your keyboard looks good. Is it like a gaming keyboard?
Yeah, gaming keyboard all got like one.
Looks like my husband's one. I show you.
I saw it. I saw your story.
Huh? Oh, you saw my.
Yeah, I saw the keyboard.
This is his keyboard. I also got light one.
You cakap kat Wuhan je.
Hey, shut up lah.
Hey,
Sure.
Jane, your husband's room ah?
Yeah, I want to go toilet and do my business. Bye bye.
Bye. Okay. Let me see. How do I have? Did they tell me?
You can see your room?
You want a room tour?
Yes.
Nothing much here.
House
I'm
tour,
not even
house
in
tour.
my room. This is like my wardrobe.
Huh? Wait, you and your husband stay together only?
Huh? Yeah.
Only y'all two?
Only and my baby.
Then your parents all stay other house.
Yeah, they stay at their own place.
Oh.
This is my wardrobe at the back.
Uh-huh.
This is my ironing
Just so
board.
you met your husband at your JC, right?
Yeah. Hey, this one not chit. Oh, suddenly the chit chat. Oh.
Wait, you haven't shown me yet. You need to show two
Show
things. You need to show ironing board and cupboard.
Eh, tutis tu
That's
ya.
all. My room is This room is a small room. What else you want to see?
Turn around.
Turn around. This is my.
So I need to go
Gaming
Huh?
PC.
I need to go.
Okay. Yeah, I also need to go. Okay. So I'll send you all this video. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. See you all. Bye.
Boy.